remember, Peter Gabriel. The reason I put things in like this is because I didn't have a studio. So I try and help students. All these are photographed in my bedroom above the radiator, a little bedroom about 10 feet square. So all these artists would come to my bedroom. You know, I'd literally move the bed out of the way. And then the radiator, well, you can see a bit of the radiator here, I think. Peter would be above the radiator, and then he'd pull all these faces, you know, for me. So it was my studio. But then I started to get a little bit more complex. I'd get stuff that you put behind radiators, where you put it behind the radiator to stop the heat from the radiator going into the wall. It's like a plastic foil. And I'd put that on the ground and shine a light on it and then create these shapes of light. Really basic stuff, cheap and nothingy. There's Peter, you know, going like that to me. Peter and I, again, the record company said, you're never going to do an album cover with Peter because the problem with you and Peter, you never get anything done. You just talk about things all the time and don't do anything.